Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 25th October 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk has recently acknowledged that Tesla's HW3 computer may not be capable of supporting full self-driving technology. This is a significant admission, considering millions of Tesla vehicles are equipped with this hardware. During a conference call discussing Tesla's Q3 2024 financial results, Musk expressed uncertainty about HW3's ability to achieve the necessary safety levels for unsupervised FSD. He emphasized that H4, Tesla's newer hardware, has significantly greater capabilities, making it easier to implement FSD features. This marks the first time Musk has openly suggested that HW3 might not meet the requirements for full autonomy. Despite ongoing development efforts, Tesla is currently utilizing both neural network nodes on HW3, complicating the path to achieving the promised level of autonomy. Musk indicated that if HW3 cannot deliver FSD, Tesla would offer free upgrades to HW4 for those who purchased the FSD package. However, he also noted that HW3 cannot be directly upgraded to HW4 due to differences in design and requirements. Musk's comments have raised concerns about Tesla's previous claims regarding the capabilities of its hardware, as he has repeatedly promised advancements in autonomy over the years. Critics argue that Tesla's ongoing sales of the FSD package, despite these uncertainties, may be misleading. Overall, Musk's admission reflects a growing recognition of the challenges Tesla faces in achieving its ambitious self-driving goals. Tesla's stock surged following its Q3 earnings report, which revealed a gross margin of 19.8%, significantly exceeding expectations of 16.8%. Despite a modest revenue increase of just over 1% from car sales, the company's energy generation and storage division experienced remarkable growth of over 50%. This segment is not only expanding rapidly, but is also more profitable, boasting a gross profit margin of 31% compared to 16% from automotive sales. Tesla's energy offerings include the Megapack for large utilities and the Powerwall for residential use, alongside solar power systems. The demand for energy storage solutions is anticipated to grow, driven by the increasing installation of renewable energy sources that require effective storage solutions. Additionally, Tesla's supercharger network is expected to see increased demand as the US EV infrastructure struggles to keep pace with growth. CEO Elon Musk expressed optimism about a potential rebound in car sales, predicting a 20% to 30% increase in deliveries next year, although past predictions from him have not always materialized. Overall, Tesla is positioning itself as more than just a car manufacturer, focusing on its energy business as a key growth area. Elon Musk reportedly maintained communication with Russian President Vladimir Putin since late 2022, as revealed by a recent Wall Street Journal report. During their discussions, Putin allegedly requested Musk not to activate his Starlink satellite network over Taiwan, framing it as a favor to Chinese leader Xi Jinping. This request comes amid heightened geopolitical tensions in the region. Musk, who is the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, has faced scrutiny over his business dealings and political endorsements, particularly his support for former President Donald Trump, who has also been linked to ongoing communications with Putin. Musk has previously denied allegations that he sold Starlink terminals to Russia during the Ukraine conflict, calling such claims categorically false. The implications of Musk's interactions with Putin raise concerns about national security, given Musk's significant contracts with US military and federal agencies, which reportedly amount to $3 billion across various projects. Critics worry that Musk's relationship with Trump could influence future government contracts for his companies. Despite concerns from federal officials regarding Musk's communications with Putin, no specific security breaches have been reported. Musk has publicly stated that his only conversation with Putin was about space, which he claimed occurred about 18 months ago. The ongoing dialogue between Musk and Putin highlights the complex intersection of business, politics, and international relations in today's world. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered. Join us again tomorrow for more news on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.